welcome to the live, everyone. I hope you're having a good Tuesday. I am going to do a quick lunchtime project using my reusable silkscreen transfer and this palette board surface that's in this box here. So I hope you're joining me. If you are, say hi in the comments. Let me know what you're up to. Are you watching from work or home or the lake? Let me know and say hi. I'd love to see your guys' comments. So this is our palette sign. I'll let you know what it looks like. It is a white board that's all ready to go. You don't have to prep this or paint this. It's really nice because you don't have to do any work. You can just get right to the crafting part and creating part. So no sanding, no painting. And on the back side, it looks like this. So you can also get really creative with this and make this into a tray. Put some handles right here and put your design on here. And then it's a little tray for breakfast in bed or a little tea tray. So it's really versatile and you can use it this way or you can use it this way. It will stand on your surface and you can put it on your shelf wherever you want. There we go. So this is a great surface to grab if you're taking advantage of the Transferpalooza sale. Today is the last day that you can get in on that. Transferpalooza is where you purchase 2 reusable silkscreen transfers and then you get the third for free. So you get one for free of equal or lesser value, of course. And any of the sizes, so you can combo any of the sizes that you want. There's so many good choices, and to suit your style or whatever speaks to you, you can get 3 of the same sizes or you can mix and match the sizes. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to use this one that's a family saying. The phrase says, "We may not have it all together, but together we have it all." And this is a really popular one. And it fits perfectly on this board just like this. Okay, so I'm going to get right to it. The colors that I'm going to use today are eucalyptus, one of my favorites, and then our storm gray color that's also one of my favorites. Those are 2 really good, more neutral colors that go with pretty much any decor. So that's, if you're making this for a friend or it's going to be a gift for someone's wedding, then those are some really good colors to stick with because they will go with pretty much anything, and they're popular colors as well. So I'm just going to make sure this doesn't have any dust on it. So I'm just going to take a cloth or take a wipe, get that dust off of there so that the transfer is going to stick well, and then let it dry. Got so many colors going. I'm just going to use my fuzzing cloth to dry this off. There we go. Okay, so really quick and really easy. I'm going to peel this off of the backing. Keep the backing for later, don't throw it away. And I'm going to line up my transfer. And then smooth it out. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And if you feel any bumps, look underneath to see if anything has stuck to the sticky adhesive side of the transfer. Get rid of it. You don't want that. It will cause a little bubble and then your edges won't be so nice and crisp anymore. So once you've got it placed, then you're ready to chalk. All you need is one of our squeegees and some chalk paste. So I've got my colors ready to go. I've got my squeegee and I'm ready to paste. Really easy just to dip it in and go. So I'm going to use some gray for the first part. I'm going to do it section by section. And just make sure you're pressing all of the chalk paste through those silkscreen windows really well. There we go. I'll do the next section. And then I am going to put a little bit of the eucalyptus on these two little arrow kind of details. So that's what it looks like so far. And after I've completed this top section, I'm going to peel the transfer off, just that part. Like that. You can see that it's all coming out perfectly. Then I'm going to just gently lay it back down and do the next section. Just press down the part that you haven't done already. And we'll keep going. So do the gray dots here. And then I'm going to do eucalyptus for the big word together. Gonna make that part stand out. It's a little extra gray there that I'm peeling off so that I don't blend it into the eucalyptus by accident. Hi Rhonda, how's your day going? All right, so I've got all the eucalyptus into that section, and I'm going to peel that part off again before I move on to the next. There you go. That's it. That's how easy it is. Lay it back down and move on to the next section. I'll go back to the gray for this. That's good to hear, Rhonda. It's pretty nice out there. Are you getting to spend any time outside? I have not really spent any time outside today. We'll see what happens. Tonight we've got commencements for my son's graduation, and that is going to probably be a long night. So I gotta get my crafting in now while I can. All right. There we go. Okay, and I'm gonna peel. No, my hands are getting all messy. I gotta clean this off. Yes, gotta make time to get outside in the sun every day. It's good for your soul, right? Definitely, if I can get out for a walk, and it's just nice that the days are longer, we can get out even in the evening, even if it's 9 o'clock sometimes. It's still, you can still get out and get a little bit of sunshine. All right, so I'll peel off that next section. And trying to think which I should do, gray next and then the eucalyptus, or eucalyptus and then gray. I think I'm gonna do the gray and then the eucalyptus. Keep going with the gray for now. Just gotta pick one and go for it. Sometimes I'm very indecisive about colors, so I just gotta go with my gut. All right, last section with the eucalyptus, and then this project is done. I love how fast it is. Now I did get a little bit of gray in there by accident. Oops. Hopefully it doesn't show up too much. Or I can go over it maybe with some eucalyptus after it's dried and fix those spots. Okay. Time for the full peel and reveal. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I did there, but I totally smudged on the bottom somehow. Good thing I should be able to wipe that off. I think it folded over and I touched it. I think that's what happened. I went too slowly. So then this one goes down here. I'm going to spray it with some water so that the chalk paste doesn't dry and will be very easy to clean up. Because cleaning is not my favorite part. So if I get to it right away, I'm a lot happier. Okay, I think I can fix this with a baby wipe. And sometimes it's easier to let it dry first, and I have to be careful not to smudge the part that I've already done. So the chalk paste is washable. You can wash it off of chalkboard surfaces. You can kind of wash it off of these surfaces too, but it's usually the pigment from the color that stains the surface, and that's the hardest part to get off. So that's what I'm going to have the most trouble with. I'm getting most of it off, but I can still see some of the color that's stained the board because it's a porous surface. So it soaks into this wood and into the wood grain. So the next thing I can do is try to sand it off a little bit, or I could just paint over it with a little bit of my white chalk paste if I can't get it all the way off. Whoopsie. Okay. Okay, so you can see that I got most of that smudge off of there, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit of sanding and maybe a little bit of white chalk paste touch up there. So that's my fault for letting my transfer touch from the front side onto the board. Otherwise, it's totally perfect. All the letters are really nice and crisp, and it didn't take a lot of artistic ability, that's for sure. So that's the nice part too. So now I'm just going to stand this up, and it can be part of my decor. I can hang a hook on it and hang it on my wall. So that's great. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you're watching the replay, you can definitely fill in the comments. Let me know that you watched. Let me know what you think of this project. If you want to try it, you can comment in the comment section there. Just put palette, and I will send you a message with the information about how to get the supplies for this if you want to make this at home. Or if you want to do this in a class, we can do that as well. Just send me a message. And if you want to take advantage of Transferpalooza that's ending today, then you have until 11:59 tonight to get in on that. Get your free transfer while you can. And if you're watching the replay and May is over, it's June already, and you didn't get to take advantage of that, that's okay. There's going to be something else great coming up. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll find out later on in June. And just stay tuned, or send me a message. Let me know what the new deals are for the month of June, and I will get that info to you. So have a great day, you guys. Hope that you get outside and get some sun, and thanks for watching. I'll be back again soon.